Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over the Crenova. Let's see, the XPE498 Projector. No, I'm just playing, guys. It's the Crenova XPE498 Projector. We're going to be going over this today, guys. So stay tuned, stick around. Let's see what this bad boy can do. Moving straight into it, as you can see here, this is a very nice package box that they put it in. Let's go ahead and get it open. It's pretty tight. Come on. That's airtight. All right, there we go. First off, I see we have a 12-month warranty here. We have a gift voucher, thingy bob. We have some type of gift voucher, guys. All right, some type of gift voucher here. Under this foam padding here, we have the projector, as you can see here. And it is inside some protective wrapping here. Let's get that out. So this is the Crenova projector. Let's give you a good look at this. 360 view. Look at the top. And get a look at the bottom here. All right, let's see what else we have in the box. We have another box of goodies here. Let's see, looks like we have the instructions right here. Distance and screen size right there. Let's get this little baggie open, see what we have. We have the remote for the projector, which was in this wrapping, but I pulled it out. So that's the remote there. We have an assortment of cables, one being a HDMI cable. Take the little protectors off of them. Alright, it's the HDMI cable. Looks like it's a pretty long, and it's a one of those flat style cables. I like those. Good quality. Auxiliary cables here. This is kind of old style. I know I won't be using these. Most people don't. And we have the power cord here, as you can see. At first glance of this projector, it looks like it's a good quality projector. Has a really nice finish on it. This white paint on it looks really good. Looks like we have have a little cover over here to ship with. You can just take that off. And we have a adjuster on top here. This will be so you can change the focus of the projector depending if you're close up, further away. You just adjust this knob and it'll project the screen in the way that you want it to be viewed. It looks like we have a few buttons on the top here. We have a up, down, left, right button. We also have a enter button on the middle there. We have a source button. We also have a menu button right here, and then also the power button. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this bad boy plugged up. I'm going to put some movie on or show on Netflix, and then we're going to see how it looks. All right, I now have the projector semi-mounted on my daughter's bed here, just for demonstration purposes. I'm going to eventually mount it to either the wall or get a projector stand. But let's go ahead and power it up here, see what we get. So I'm going to go ahead and press the power button here. All right. Give it a second. All right, there we go. As you can see, that's pretty clear already. Haven't even did any adjustments to it yet. And it is about 10 feet away from the wall, maybe 12 feet. All right, so there you can see the image now. I'm gonna go over and turn the light off. As you can see, it gets a lot more vivid at this point. And now I'm gonna play a show, probably on Netflix. That way you can see exactly how it looks while it's streaming movies or shows. And also you can hear how the projector itself sounds. So, to the show. All right, to avoid any type of copyright claims, I decided to just show one of my older videos that my wife and I did when I did her makeup. So without further ado, let's get right into this. And this is the actual sound coming from the projector itself that you're hearing.
This isn't going to go well.
All right, so as you can see, the image is really clear. It's about, I would say, roughly 100 almost 100 inches on my wall here.
I caught him.
Had to scare my son here. So
I got you.
as you can see, it's very clear. The sound quality here is pretty good, but as you can tell, let me actually pause this. As you can tell, it's not, of course, the best. I'm going to be putting some external speakers along with the projector, just so I can get a better sound quality. I'll probably actually get a sound bar more than likely. But like I said, so far I'm satisfied with it. Very clear.
Also, guys, let me lost my voice. I need help finding that.
All right, so let me go ahead and turn the lights on here. So yeah, for the price of this projector compared to other projectors, which are up to a couple $100s, I think this is a good buy. But all in all, I am very pleased with this projector. I'm going to end up mounting it here in my daughter's room since she has this big open wall here. It was just calling for a projector, so I had to get one. So like I said, I'm going to eventually mount it in my daughter's room, and she's going to have her a humongous screen where she can watch any of her cartoons that she loves to watch. So I know she's going to be happy, so that makes me happy. Well, that concludes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions about this particular projector, please let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I will catch you in the next one. Peace.